Today I'm going to show you how to draw bouquet of flowers in Adobe Illustrator, and if you're interested, please keep watching. Where you can use that design. For example, you can use the design for the flower workshop. For example, you need to create flyer for the flower workshop and you can use the design there. I decided to create that design not just like that. Today is my birthday, and if you want, you can share with me the results of that design on my Instagram or on my Telegram channel, and I will be very happy to see the life of my tutorial. This is the size of my workspace, and these are colors which I'm going to use in my tutorial. And now let's start to draw. My workspace is ready and colors are already in the swatches panel. Let's take that color and ellipse tool and create ellipse like this. Now let's take direct selection tool, select that point and convert to corner here. Okay. Now let's take direct selection tool and select that corner and hold and drag to round the corner. Now we need to cut off a part of that shape. Take rectangle tool, draw the rectangle. Now select both shapes, pathfinder minus front. Now let's take direct selection tool, select these two corners and round corners. Like that. Now let's take dark brown color and pen tool and let's draw the next shape here. Okay, like that. The next one here. And close the path. Okay, direct section tool and let's round that corner and now round this one. Okay, let's take curvature tool and play with shapes. You can add points here and take direct selection tool and play with that side. Okay, it's ready. Now take light color and pen tool and draw here the next shape like that. Now let's take dark brown color and again pen tool and draw the next one. Like that. And the next one here. Now bring that shape to front. Okay. Now let's copy and paste the big brown shape Select it, copy and paste it. Now select the copy and the light brown shape, like that. Shape builder tool, hold Alt and delete unwanted part. And delete this part, and we have the shape like this. Okay, now let's take a pen tool and draw here the shape like this, no matter what color will be. Okay, now select that shape and light brown shape, shape builder tool, hold Alt, delete the part here, and this one. Okay, we have here the shape like that. Now let's take rectangle tool, create a rectangle with that color. Free transform tool, add that option, squeeze here a little and make a little wider here. Curvature tool and move that side down. Select both points with direct selection tool and round corners. Make it a little smaller if you like. Now copy and paste that shape. Squeeze it a little. Make it bigger. Now let's take light color for that shape, but at first make it a little wider and squeeze here. Okay, it's ready. Now let's take red color and pen tool and draw here the next shape. Like this. Now direct selection tool, round the corners if you need it, and let's play with that shape. Like this. Okay, now this shape a little down and select that shape and red one and bring to front. Okay, it's ready. Now copy and paste that red shape, make it bigger, take dark red color and squeeze it a little. Okay, you can make that shape a little bigger, and now take direct selection tool, move that point closer here. Okay, now let's play a little here with the shape with direct selection tool. Okay, now with pen tool, let's draw the ribbon. Like that. Now let's take a curvature tool or direct selection tool and play a little with the shape. Like that. Now smooth here a little that shape with smooth tool. Okay, now let's take again pen tool, and now let's draw the next ribbon. And if you like, you can round corners here with direct section tool, or you can not do it. And now let's draw the next ribbon here. Okay, it's ready. You can rotate it if you like it. You can make the ribbons bigger, for example, like that. Okay. Now let's take dark green color and pen tool. Let's draw here green shape with pen tool, or you can draw it with help of, for example, curvature tool or brush tool. Like this. Now select that green shape and dark brown shape and send to back. Now direct section tool and move that point here. Okay. Now let's add a little texture. Let's open brush library artistic ink. Okay, we need that one. And now select that shape, go to that mode, take that brush and just draw with brush tool here. You can take, for example, more darker color for the brush, and you can do it, or you can stay the design without brush. And do the same here. Just go to normal mode and go again to the to that mode and again add brush. Okay. Now select the shape, make it a little bigger. Okay, it's ready. Now we need to draw flowers. Let's take green color and brush tool, draw the line like this, and now let's take pen tool, draw the leaf like that. Okay, we need green color in the fill, and you can play with the shape with direct selection tool. Copy and paste the leaf, rotate, put, for example, here. Now let's take red color, light red color, and polygon tool, create the polygon like that. Go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Parker and Blot, and bring the slider here. Okay. Object, Expand Appearance. Now let's add anchor point tool. Let's add anchor, and for example, let's move the point here, let's add one more point here, and with dark selection tool you can move here. So play with the shape as you like, or you can stay the shape like it was. Okay, let it be like this. Now let's put here, make it smaller, put here. Now copy and paste that flower shape, make it smaller, make it red color. Okay, now yellow color, and ellipse tool, create the ellipse here, like that. You can stay like this, or you can take, for example, some orange color and add ellipses here. And you can take dark color, dark brown color, take brush tool and, for example, add here some lines like this. You can make them a little thinner, for example 0.7. And now you need to copy and paste these shapes and rotate it and put it here and in these places. It's ready. Now select that shape and make it a little fatter. Okay, the stroke a little fatter. Now copy the flower. Okay, you can delete that flower. And now let's draw the new one. Let's take pink color and pen tool. Let's draw here the next shape. Okay, you can move it with help of move points. With dark selection tool, let's take light pink color and again pen tool and draw the next shape. Like that. Now let's select that shape and reflect vertical. Okay. And now just rotate the shapes. Like this. Now make it a little smaller. Let's take green color and pen tool and draw one more shape with pen tool. Okay, now dark selection tool and round corner here and here. Okay, now let's make it a little smaller. Group the flower, Ctrl G. Now let's select that shape and let's reflect vertical, okay, and just rotate the flower and put here. Okay, it's ready. Now select the shape, copy and paste it like that. Now let's take a yellow color and pen tool, and now let's draw the next flower. I will make it a little faster because it's the same way with pen tool we will be create the flower like this. Squeeze it a little, direct selection tool, around the corner if you need it. You can move points, for example like this, or you can move that points a little up. If you need it, you can round corner. You can move these points like that. Okay. It's ready. Now copy and paste that shape, make it smaller and dark orange color. Make it a little wider, like that. And now let's take green color and pen tool and draw here one more shape. Like this. Okay. Now let's select that shape, rotate, put here. Okay. Now let's make the shape of the flower a little smaller, like that. Now select these two shapes, copy and paste them. And now let's take that blue color and copy and paste again that shape, take yellow color, and let's move the green shape to front. Now copy and paste the yellow one and take light yellow color and bring these two shapes to front. And now just make that yellow shape a little bigger. Now select these two shapes, hold Alt and make copies, or copy and paste and make copies as you like. Send to back. Make one more copy, send to back. And again like this. Okay, the flower is ready. Let's draw the next flower. Let's take pen tool and draw one more flower with pen tool here, like this. Okay, it's ready. Now green color, create the shape like this. Green color in the stroke. The size of the brush, let it be 2. Let's take the brush a little fatter for that line, let's take this one, and as well let's it will be 2 or 1.5. I think 1.5 will be better. Now green color, and let's draw some lines like this here with pen tool. You can draw one line, for example, and just make copies like this, and reflect, and the same here. Now red color and rectangle tool, hold shift and rotate it. Now let's take that tool, hold shift and make like this. Direct selection tool, round that corner, make it smaller, round, put here. And now let's copy and paste hearts like this. Group the flower. Now let's copy and paste that flower, ungroup it, and delete that flower. Now let's change the color, and I think you can stay leaves like that, or you can delete these leaves and create new ones with pen tool. Okay, and just reflect, vertical copy. Okay, and now let's select ellipse tool, create one more ellipse with copy and paste it, 2 ellipses, select both ellipses, pathfinder intersect. Okay, and now let's add some texture. Take that color and pen tool, create the lines with pen tool, like this. And you can just copy and paste these lines. And take direct selection tool, make these lines shorter and this one the same. Okay, it's ready. Now make it, group it, and make it a little bigger. Okay, put here, rotate. Group it, Ctrl G. Better to group every flower to use it more comfortable. Okay, and now let's draw one more shape with curvature tool and dark green color, like that. Okay, it's ready. And now let's take brush tool to draw here the line with a light color and draw lines like this with brush tool. Now let's make that shape a little longer and round it a little. Group, Ctrl G. Now let's make it smaller. Okay. Okay guys, all elements are ready. Now let's make flowers a little smaller. Select all flowers and make them a little smaller. Now copy and paste that flower and make it with red color. Like this. Okay. It's ready. And now we need to reflect that color vertical. Okay, that flower, sorry. And now we need to bring that shape to front. All these shapes. Select these shapes, these, and bring them to front. And now let's create the bouquet. You can create the bouquet as I am. You can create your own bouquet. So as you like, you can play with your flowers. You create your own flowers, not like mine. So you can be here the designer. You can change colors, for example, if you like. Okay, it's ready. Now take dark green color and rectangle tool, create the rectangle. It will be the background and send it to back. Okay, now select the bouquet, make it a little smaller and bring to the center like that. Okay, now let's take light color and you can add, for example, heart with pen tool. Just design elements if you like it. And of course you can copy and paste them. For example, you can make it with different colors, for example yellow, or you can make it with different sizes. Okay, and now let's take ellipse tool, create some ellipses. Okay guys, it's almost ready. Okay, our bouquet of flowers is ready. Okay guys, that's all for today. Hope you like my tutorial. If yes, give me a like and subscribe, and see you in the next tutorials in Adobe Illustrator or in the next videos about graphic design. Bye bye guys. Bye.